Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Wealth Preservation Plan for conservative investors. To begin with, conservative dividend investing is mainly about protecting capital, maintaining reliable income, and reducing unnecessary portfolio risk. Instead of chasing the highest dividend yield, the focus should be on stability, quality, and long-term wealth protection. First, set your protection goals clearly. Decide how much income you need, how much capital you want to preserve, and what level of risk you are comfortable with. At the same time, estimate your monthly or yearly cash needs so your dividend plan matches your time horizon and financial situation. Next, focus on quality dividends. Conservative investors should prefer stable and established companies with reliable dividend records. In addition, it is important to review earnings strength and free cash flow, because a dividend is safer when the business can support it with real cash generation. After that, diversify carefully across different holdings and sectors. Rather than depending on one stock or one industry, spread your dividend investments across multiple companies, dividend ETFs, and defensive businesses. As a result, your income becomes less dependent on a single source. Then, prioritize safety metrics before making investment decisions. For example, check payout ratios, debt levels, interest coverage, balance sheet strength, and cash flow stability. These factors help identify whether a company can continue paying dividends during difficult market conditions. In addition, build an income buffer for extra security. Keeping cash reserves can help cover emergencies or periods when dividend income is lower than expected. This also reduces the pressure to sell investments during market downturns. Furthermore, control portfolio risk with proper position sizing. Set limits for each stock, rebalance when needed, and avoid becoming too exposed to high-yield traps. Similarly, keeping liquidity available gives you flexibility when markets become uncertain. At the same time, monitor warning signs regularly. Falling earnings, rising debt, weak cash flow, repeated dividend cuts, and declining business quality can all signal danger. Therefore, reviewing your holdings periodically can help you protect your portfolio before small problems become larger losses. Finally, review and preserve your wealth over time. Reassess your holdings, replace weakening dividend positions, reinvest selectively, or hold cash when necessary. The goal is to stay focused on long-term preservation instead of reacting emotionally to short-term market movements. Overall, a strong dividend wealth preservation plan depends on capital protection, reliable dividend income, strong diversification, manageable volatility, cash reserves, and reasonable valuation. On the other hand, conservative investors should avoid chasing very high yields, holding concentrated positions, ignoring dividend safety, reaching for risky sectors, and selling in panic. In conclusion, wealth preservation works best when stable income, strong quality, diversification, and risk control are managed together. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.